Morphology of flowering plants. How does root, stem and leaf modified? Modification of leaf in flowering plants. Leaf originate from shoot apical meristem and are arranged in an acropetal manner. The leaf is attached to the stem by leaf base and may bear two lateral small leaf-like structures called stipules. Swollen leaf bases are called pulvinous. For example, some leguminous plants. Leguminous plants bear seed inside their fruit. We can differentiate the leaf according to their venation. So, arrangement of veins and veinlets in the lamina of leaf is termed as venation. Venation can be of two types in the leaf. Number 1 is reticulate, number 2 is parallel. In reticulate venation of the leaf, veinlets form network. All the dicots show the reticulate kind of venation. In parallel kind of venation, veins run parallel to each other. All the monocots are the example of parallel kind of venation.